our permits come through. Our permit to dive the Yongala or Yongala. So tomorrow morning we're off. We've got a 1 month permit to go and dive it as many times as we like. It is Wednesday morning. We've just popped all the sails back up. We've just left Cape Upstart and got the motors off, and we're blasting out to the Yongala. I'm not sure where he's off to. He just jibed across the front of us and then cut across the front. I thought we were going to get close, but there was plenty of room. It's just a lot closer on the sharp plotter. Just chilling out the front, zooming along, and there's always maintenance. I just noticed that the eyelets come out of the bridle splice, so I'll be hanging over now trying to fix that.
The SS Yongala was a steel passenger and freight steamer built in Newcastle for the Adelaide Steamship Company, launched in 1903. She sank during a cyclone on the 24th of March 1911 on her 99th voyage, with all her 122 passenger and crew lost in the tragedy. It was not until 1958 that the wreck was identified by a local fisherman. Today, the Yongala lies in approximately 30 metres of water, listing to her starboard side, home to an amazing array of marine life. It is regarded as one of the world's top 10 and Australia's #1 wreck dive site.
So we've arrived at the Yongala, or Yongala. I'll start calling it just the Yongala, and getting all our gear ready. So we've got our tanks up. So the properties are that we have to have one person as cover on the boat. That's the regulations for diving the spot. So we have one dive operator running, and they're just getting back in, and we're about to launch everything, finish getting in our wetsuits, and we're going.
found the largest groper that we had ever seen tucked in next to the rudder. It was somewhere around 2 metres in length. We're just out on the Yongala. It's one of these famous shipwrecks, which is just incredible. Chris and I dived it 30 years ago, and I always had great memories of it. So I've just had my dive. Chris and Jess are down now, and I can't believe how fantastic it was. The fish life, turtles, sea snakes, manta rays, just all of them were just incredible. I'm absolutely speechless. Loved it. If you ever have a chance, do the Yongala, it's incredible.
So what was it like?
Really good, really good. We had 3 massive stingrays.
Yep.
On the bow again?
Yeah.
Again.
And then one was just floating off the sides. We swam with it.
Between dives, we witness a small pod of pilot whales leaping between waves and hunting a feed, and a family of humpback whales at the back of our boat.
Holy crap!
So it's quite warm up here. Jess is just going in her wetsuit. Chris is going in his lycra and wetsuit,
How thick's your wetsuit?
the same as yours.
No, it's not.
And-
This is 2 mil.
And he's going to wear a thick hood.
Spin the camera around.
Yeah, I can spin
Pass
it
the
around.
camera.
And I have got a super thin look. It's
Pot calling the
super
kettle black.
thin.
Pot calling the kettle black.
Night dives give a totally different perspective, as you find a lot of marine life asleep. We try to limit our lights on sleeping marine life so we do not disturb them, as they may become dislodged from their safe spot and may not find another in the dark. We found several turtles tucked under the wreck, sleeping for protection against predators.
You got matching hats. At least you got the new one. It is huge. What is it?
It's a speaker. Oh, it looks so good. All the
Oh, I wonder if that works.
Take it back and charge it up, see what it does.
clean it up.
Might be lucky.
Oh.
Speaker.
Tight. This new wetsuit's a bit snug.
So it's how many X's is it?
It's a Chinese
XL.
one.
How many X's?
One.
No.
I saw at least 2 X's.
Let me get your wetsuit.
It says large. I checked.
Yeah, how many X's?
Right, you want to zip it up?
No. So
Oh, look how easy that went.
Give me, give me.
It's so thin. It's just so thin.
There you go.
look, thin,
Thin.
thick.
Thin. Not as thick as some.